Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix if you are facing this error PUBG Battlegrounds process has crashed. Let's fix it guys. The solution is to verify integrity of game files. Just click on close without sending. I show you guys how to do it in Epic Game and Steam. You just need to open up Epic Game and click on the three dot icon next to PUBG, and you just need to scroll down and select manage. If launch option is enabled, you just need to disable it guys, and verify files. Click on verify. Wait for it until this finish up. In Steam, you just need to open up Steam, and you just need to right click on the PUBG guys. In my case, I didn't install the PUBG in my Steam. That's why I'm gonna show another game. You just need to right click on the PUBG and select properties. Now you just need to leave it empty in launch option and go to installed files. Now you just need to select verify integrity of game files. Now wait for it until this finish up. After finishing this, you just need to close it off here and launch in Steam and check if the problem solved or not guys. If you're still having problem, then you just need to make sure your system requirements meet to play PUBG. You just need to check the minimum requirement of PUBG guys, and make sure you have all of these minimum to play PUBG. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.